It was a true collaboration between Max and I. And the purpose of this project is develop these characters and compare them with social robots performing the same task. Max was the person who implemented the ideas, and also he contributed with his creative skills. He also developed new skills, trying to learn a little bit of Unity and a little bit of specialized software to implement the movements of the characters he assigned. It happens that in research projects you have to learn quickly new things to implement the experiments or cope with the changes that the projects have. I have an understanding of different areas of research, the computer science part, the design part, but I'm not necessarily expert in the aesthetics and in the way that Max has. So we complement very well in that sense. The lab provides the space and the infrastructure, powerful workstations and expertise to lead Max to this outcome of designing these characters. It was not just the creative robotics lab, it was also the 3D aesthetics lab, the one that is led by John McKee and wonderful colleagues there, Andy. The first benefit is for the students. I reckon they can put in practice their skills that they are already developed during the coursework. Could be an attractive path of development for them. On the other hand, researchers, we can detect new talent with this type of projects. So the labs can benefit because this talent attraction and this detection of talent can encourage new researchers to join to the lab as a part of a master's in research or a PhD program. Also, as a researcher, I think it's very nice work with new people. Sometimes they come with new skills and they teach you new things, and it's very enjoyable, this intergenerational exchange of knowledge.